Kiganda guthinjira kaunti ya Isiolo kiria gikoretuo gikiakwo kwa ihinda rĩa miaka 16 gigweterera mieri ingi 18 nigwo thirikari itikire ukorwo iga mabururi-ini na nja wa bururi gukorwo igithira o mutaratara ucio. Akiaria na andiki a mohoro, minista wa na Kiganda Moses Kuria augite Kiganda giki kiria ni kia eka 500,000 guteithia kunina ng'aragu iria igomeire areithia a mahiu miena ino. Ukuria kaunti ino ni amu ina nyamo iria ikoragwo makireithia, na uguo uhoro uyu ni ukorwo ugiteithia aikari a kaunti ino oro undu umwe na endia a nyama thiini wa bururi.
Not true that northern Kenya is not productive. Northern Kenya can be very productive, both in terms of livestock, both in terms of agriculture. I'm working day and night to ensure that we bring investors into this area. We do our livestock here, we do our meat, we do our cotton, and our interest is a farmer, and our interest is our animals. Our interest is our skin. Our interest is our leather. As long as it's done here, we are going from all over the world to come and process meat here, so that when meat is processed here, it gets its way to the airport, and from there it is lifted to a number of countries. Commitment for around 100 freighters that have been committed to come here and pick the meat from here and fly it to all over the world.
With this project, what I can assure you is that Isiolo people, northern Kenya and northern Belt will not lose the animals which they lost last year. In fact, Isiolo alone lost close to 6 billion. If the treaty was working by then we could have not lost such huge amount of animals. As we are speaking now, we have a capacity of slaughtering 10,000 cattle, 15,000 goats and sheep, and 5,000 camel a day. That can tell you how transformative this project is.